Looking to boost your income with skills you can learn quickly? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up is social media banners. Every business, from startups to established brands, needs eye-catching visuals to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. As a banner designer, you'll create stunning graphics that grab attention and drive engagement. Start by mastering tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, which are beginner-friendly and widely used. Many businesses are willing to pay $20 to $100 per banner, depending on the complexity and your expertise. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to small businesses that need help with their social media presence. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a reliable income stream. Next is print on demand. If you're creative and love designing, this skill is perfect for you. With platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more without worrying about inventory or shipping. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the product and platform. To get started, create a portfolio of your designs and promote them on social media or through your own store. With a bit of creativity and marketing, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Third is customer services. As more businesses go online, the demand for remote customer service representatives is growing. As a customer service specialist, you'll handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide support to customers via chat, email, or phone. Start by learning the basics of customer relationship management, CRM tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Many companies pay $15 to $30 per hour for customer service roles, depending on the complexity of the tasks. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or apply directly to companies hiring remote customer service agents. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady source of income. Fourth is digital marketing. Businesses are always looking for experts who can help them grow their online presence. As a digital marketer, you'll manage social media, run ads, and optimize websites to drive traffic and sales. Start by learning platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager, and SEO tools. Many businesses pay $25 to $150 per hour for digital marketing services, depending on the scope of the project. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' goals and delivering measurable results. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Finally, let's talk about digital products. If you're creative or knowledgeable in a specific area, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating valuable content. Many creators earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on the demand for their products. To get started, use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to sell your products. With a bit of marketing and consistency, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose social media banners, print on demand, customer services, digital marketing, or digital products, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.